Journeying from Hanover, Bethel Primary and Junior High comes up against Southern Settlers Maypen Primary from Clarendon. The team talk. Coming from Hopewell in Hanover, Bethel hopes all sits well with them today.
We at Bethel Primary are striving for excellence.
Woohoo!
We have been doing quite a lot of practice. We have other students who are very good who are substitute, but we have done our best to get this team prepared, and we're just hoping that we will be victorious today.
Team members are Dean Edwards, Marshall Thomas, Shelley Eva, Williamson, and Nikolai Johnson.
We at Maypen Primary strive for excellence.
This team is very hardworking and we think we can win if we just try.
Time now for section 1, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Bethel Primary won. They decided they wished to play first. So with that being said, Bethel Primary, we begin with you. Bible knowledge. When Jesus was seized and held captive, who denied him 3 times?
Peter.
That's correct. Maypen Bible knowledge. What's the name of the thief that the Jews wanted to be released instead of Jesus?
Barabbas.
That's correct. Bethel science. What's another name for the root of a plant?
Peduncle.
Say again?
Peduncle.
That's incorrect. It's a radical. Maypen science. What's another name for the shoot of a plant?
Stem.
That's incorrect. It's plumule. Bethel international affairs. What's the capital of Russia?
Ottawa.
That's incorrect. It's Moscow. Maypen international affairs. What's the capital of Ecuador?
Cotopaxi?
That's incorrect. It's Quito. Bethel English language. Spell interfere.
INTERFERE. Interfere.
That's correct. Maypen English language. Spell Wednesday.
WEDNESDAY.
That's correct. Bethel general knowledge. Who was the first man on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
That's correct. Maypen general knowledge. Who was the first man to go into space?
Neil Armstrong? What? No, I know that. Just say it. Just say it.
Question passes. Bethel, would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's Yuri Gagarin. Bethel social studies. Name 2 of the 4 terrestrial planets.
Mercury and Venus.
That's correct. Maypen social studies. Name 2 of the 4 gas giant planets.
You have Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, and Mars. Just 2. Neptune and Mars. Yeah. Neptune and Mars.
That's incorrect. It's Neptune and either Jupiter, Saturn, or Uranus. Bethel music. Which Jamaican reggae artist was born Winston Rodney?
Bob Marley.
That's incorrect. It's Burning Spear. Maypen music. Which Jamaican reggae artist was born Calvin George Scott? Time's up. So question passes. Bethel, would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's Coco T. Bethel mathematics. What's the place value of the 4 in 73.42?
Tens.
That's correct. Maypen mathematics. What's the place value of the 7 in 273,154?
Tens. 100. Athens.
Time's up. That means question passes to Bethel. Would you like to try?
Yes, miss. 10,000.
That's correct. Bethel, sports. In which city was the 1984 Summer Olympics held?
Salt Lake City. Salt Lake City.
That's incorrect. It's Los Angeles. Maypen, sports. In which city was the 2000 Summer Olympics held?
Athens.
Could you say your answer again?
Athens.
All right. Accepted. Athens is accepted, which means you did in fact gain that final point. That brings us to the end of section 1.
Maypen ends the round having attempted 6 of 9 questions. Bethel attempted all 9 of theirs and 1 extra. First round score, Bethel Primary and Junior High 6, Maypen Primary 3.